admitting that I don't know what's on your mind. You can blame it on the weather, but I know you better than that. I can tell when you're hurting. Tonight I'm afraid to ask, 'cause what if you say goodbye? What if you changed your mind? I don't wanna hear that. The love that we made was a waste of time. But your kiss don't lie. Baby, your eyes can't hide that I'm holding on to someone that's already gone. I've gotten good at pretending, convincing myself there ain't nothing wrong, and going through the motions, hoping we'll turn off this road we've been on, and it'll get better. But girl, I know better than that. I tell you I love you, but what if you don't say it back? What if you say goodbye? What if you changed your mind? I don't wanna hear that. The love that we made was a waste of time. But your kiss don't lie. Baby, your eyes can't hide that I'm holding on to someone that's already gone. Even if you say goodbye, yeah, even if you've changed your mind, I'm ready to face it. I don't wanna fake it for one more night. Yeah, your kiss don't lie, baby. Your eyes can't hide that I'm holding on to someone that's already gone. Well, I'm through holding on to you, baby. 'Cause you're already gone. You got your face down, your phone out, your half-empty bottle of wine.
This dance is called Lost in Love, choreographed by Maddison and Simon Ward. It's a 32 count, 2-wall intermediate rolling 8 count line dance. Section 1, starting with left foot. Cross, point, hold, turn shoulders to the left for styling. Behind, point, hold, turn shoulders to the right for styling. Cross, sweep your right. Cross, side, behind, quarter turn left, forward, hit your right, and make another quarter turn to your left to 6. Cross rock, recover, sweep your right, hit your right into figure 4, behind, side, 1/8 turn to your left to 430, stepping forward. Section 2, still facing 430, half turn basic, forward, quarter turn left, side, quarter turn left, back, facing 1030, back, drag your left, 3/8 turn to left to 6, stepping left forward, step heavy quarter turn to left, now facing 3, cross, side, behind, step left to the side and sway left, right, left, 1 1/4 turn to right, quarter, half, half turn to right. Section 3, step forward, pivot half turn to right, weight on your right, half turn to right, stepping left back and sweep your right, behind, big step, side, side your right, cross, recover side, diamond fall away, cross, side, 1/8 turn to left, back, facing 430, back, 1/8 turn to left, side, 1/8 turn to left, forward, facing 130, forward, 1/8 turn to left, side, 1/8 turn to left, back, facing 1030, back, together, square to 9, forward. Last section, big step forward with clenched fists, forward, side your right, forward, side your left, twinkle, cross, side, recover, cross, side, behind, big step, side, side your right, 1 1/4 rolling turn to your right, quarter, half, half turn to right, forward, kick right forward, back, half turn to left, forward, forward. And you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and up, 2 and up, 3, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up, 1 and up, 2, 3 and up, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and In this dance, there's a 4-count tag at the end of wall 2 facing 12 o'clock, starting with the left foot. Forward, kick your right forward, back, half turn to left, forward, 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 kick your right forward, back, half turn to left, forward, forward. With counts, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and On wall 5, you dance 12 counts and restart facing 12 o'clock. Let me show you wall 5 with counts facing 12 to start. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and This is the restart point. To restart, make a quarter turn to left to 12, 1 and 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个 section 左脚开始，跨点停，身体朝左边，后点停，身体朝右边，跨右脚绕，跨旁后左转前，右脚 hitch 的时候再一个左转到6点，跨回右脚绕，右脚 hitch figure 4，后旁1/8左转面对4点半前。第二个 section 还是面对4点半 half turn basic， 前左转旁左转后面对10点半，后左脚拖3/8左转到6点，前左转面对3点 V， 跨旁后左脚到旁边 sway 左 右左，1又4分之一往右边转，右转后转后转。第3个 section， 前往右边后转，中心在右脚，再个后转往右边，左脚到后面，右脚绕后大步，旁右脚拖，跨回旁 ，diamond forward 往左边，跨旁8分之一左转，后面对4点半，后8分之一左转，旁8分之一左转，前面对1点半，前8分之一左转，旁8分之一左转，后面对10点半，后弯移到9点，并前。最后一个 section 往前大步，右跟左手握拳，走，右脚拖，走，左脚拖 ，twinkle， 跨旁回，跨旁后大步，旁右脚拖，1又4分之一往右边转，右转后转后转，前右脚踢，后往左边后转，走走，然后再重新开始。这条舞在第2个方向跳完之后，面对12点钟，要加一个4拍的 tag。左脚开始，前右脚踢，后往左边后转，走走，前右脚踢，后往左边后转，走走。With counts 1, 2 and up, 3, 4 and up。在第5个方向跳完12拍，有一个 restart 在12点钟。我来示范第5个方向，面对12点开始。With counts 1 and up, 2 and up, 3, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up, 1 and up, 2, 3 and up, 4 and up。到这里12拍，要 restart， 左转到12点 ，1 and up。